Looking to grow your computer skills? Want to add more value to your organisation? Why not rise above the crowd and show your digital flair through our Computing Intermediate User Program? Stand out by learning the tips, tricks and functionality of Office software. Through this program, you will learn how to collaborate with others through digital media and devices, use computer networks, databases and websites, and build the confidence to feel comfortable using systems in the workplace. Add to that a strong foundation in file management that meets the needs of successful businesses, and you will be set with a great foundation to build a career with computing. Across 20 weeks of this fees-free program, you will learn through a mixture of in-class teaching, tutorials and haerenga, your chance to see your learnings in real business settings. At the end of the program, you will be able to take these skills and apply them in numerous situations and environments, giving yourself the opportunity to collaborate effectively with others and provide top-class admin support. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whāmā.